Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Ipsy and Sephora, oh my gosh, I can't even think what it is, bags to unbox and see how they are and if they are worth continuing. Oh my gosh, I just can't talk today. First up is Sephora. You always get this little sheet that kind of tells you about the stuff. It doesn't usually, it doesn't tell me prices, unfortunately. And then it does have a 50 points pass on it, which I've already taken off so that when I go to Sephora, I can use that. In here, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Bumble & Bumble. It is a dry spun texture spray for your hair. That's not really something I'm going to use because I am so low key when it comes to hair. Like today it's in a braid. That's about the extent of my hair care. And I'm a little more festive today because it's not quite Christmas when I'm filming this. So we're doing fun stuff for Christmas at our store. Next up is from Sephora. It is the Rouge Gel Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Nothing But Nude. I don't know why I already took it out of the package because I was talking. Let's see if I can open it. Yep, that is a very nude lip liner. Okay, so yeah, interesting. Next in here is from Sephora. It is a cream lip stain and it is in the shade... Oh, I have this one. This is shade 1. It is the red. I'm not going to swatch it because I have several of this already. So it's going to go straight back in its package to be passed along. Let's see. Next in here is a little box from Fresh. It is a Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm. And I am not the biggest fan of the Fresh lip balms. They just don't really agree with my lips. I don't know why. But I've kind of passed along all the other ones that I have. It does smell good, but I'm going to pass this one along too because it's just something in there that it could have beeswax in it. That's one thing that I have discovered that I'm allergic to, or it could have pepper. I don't know. I have not been a big fan of those. This is the bag this month I forgot to show you. So it's kind of cute. It has like Christmassy stuff. I don't like these though because they say they're recyclable, but they are not. At least anywhere that I am, I can't recycle them. So it's frustrating. Next in here is Light Camera Lashes from Tarte. This is a pretty small one. This is one of my favorite mascaras, so I am excited to get this. This is definitely something that I will use. And then the last thing in here is from Too Faced. It is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. That's actually the primer I have on my skin today, along with the Peach Foundation. I am a big fan of this, so that is good. So 3 out of the 6, whoa, that was crazy. 3 out of the 6 I will be keeping. I will be keeping the primer and the mascara because I know I already like those, and then I will be keeping the lip liner, the dry texture spray. Oh my gosh, I won't be keeping because I don't use that type of a product. I'm a little trepidatious about wearing this lip balm, and then I already got this one, so I'm not really excited about this month's box. And I have canceled Sephora Play, so this was my last one. I was kind of trying to decide in December if it would be a good thing to continue or not, and I've decided that it isn't because they send me too many duplicates or too many things that my profile says that I don't use, and they also have like all of my purchase history, and I buy a ton at Sephora, so it's kind of frustrating to keep getting products that I know are categories that I never purchase. Yeah, it's just frustrating. Anyway, let's move on to Ipsy. This is the regular Ipsy. This is a newer subscription. I started it in October when I got the Glam Bag Plus. So this is a separate account with a newer profile. I haven't done as much with it. The first thing in here is from Ciate London. It is the Glitter Flip lipstick, and this is in the shade, what is this called? Infamous, which is funny because that is like my favorite shade. It was kind of chunky, actually. It took me a while to smooth it out. Infamous is my favorite shade from Marc Jacobs, which is like one of my all-time favorite lipsticks of all time. So that's kind of fun to have a second one. Next in here is from Kiss and Smeek. It is the Everything. That's all it says. It doesn't say anything about what it is. So that is what it looks like. Oh, it's like a blush stick. Okay. So I've gotten some of these before. I'm terrible about using these. I never use them. That should be a goal of mine in 2019, is to start using up all of my cream products. So that is what it looks like. It's a nice, pretty pink shade. Yeah, I need to make this a goal for 2019 to start using up all of those products that I have, because I have so many cream sticks like that. Next in here is a brush, and this actually looks to be the same as that was in the Glam Bag Plus. They had the Fair brushes, and this matches them, so this is a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'll be excited to use that. Next is from Catrice. It is an eyeshadow. Ooh, that is an interesting color. Luminous Lilac. I don't think I have any shade like that. Now that is really light. It's kind of disappointing because it looked so much darker in the package, and it looked more duochrome, so it didn't really come across, unfortunately. And then let's see what else we got in here. We have something from R&Co. High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. Work through towel dried hair and air dry or blow dry. Doubles as a leave-in conditioner. That is always awesome. Is it going to show the words? For some reason, like, it doesn't want to capture words anymore. Oh, and then Be Berry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You. Oh, and it says we got an extra thing in our bag this month, which is why I have one more item in here. I do like the bag this month. Like, it's really pretty. It has the black on this side, but it's not this, like all of the other bags that are the sequins that flip back and forth. This is from Laritzy Cosmetics, which I've gotten some other things from them. It's a Dew Pot illuminator. Ooh, that is pretty. So this must be like a cream highlighter. Oh, that melted into the skin really well. I don't know if you can even see it. It's right on the, you can kind of see it. We'll do a thick swatch, like, see if it picks up a little bit more. But it really melted into the skin nicely. That might be fun to use. I'm going to give it to my brain is fried, I guess. To Ipsy this month, because while I had 3 from Sephora that I would use, I feel like there are more in this month. So I got 6 products again, which is great. I always like it when they throw in an extra one. The brush, so excited about the brush. I love getting brushes. The eyeshadow, not so much. This leave-in conditioner I'm excited about because that's something I'll definitely use. This, I've heard really good things about the Glitter Flip lipsticks. And that's a pretty neutral color. It's not like a crazy color that I'm not going to wear. So definitely 3 for sures that I know I'm going to like. And then like 2 that I'm kind of intrigued by, and I think they're pretty, but they're not really things that I would use. But one that I feel like is a dud, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. So I feel like I just got a little bit more out of Ipsy, and then you got a nice bag that you can actually use instead of some plastic bag. Let me know what your thoughts, though, were on these two bags. I love hearing your thoughts, reading your thoughts down below. I'm trying to get better about commenting back. I have a little bit more range of motion in my shoulder. I am in physical therapy trying to work on it even more, but typing still is a little pain. So I'm trying to type with just my left hand, which is hard because I'm right-handed. And of course, it's my right shoulder that hurts, and just goes all the way down, burns through my whole arm, all of the muscles in here and then up in my bicep. So if I'm not commenting back, it's not because I don't love and appreciate you all. It is just because it hurts. And so I'm trying to heart things now. So at least you know that I'm reading them. So if you get a heart, it's because I did read it and I appreciate it. I hope you were all having a fantastic day. I can't wait to hear from you, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.